Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI template. So where you can get page-wise analysis of your reference papers. So whenever you are making literature review, so you have to analyze your reference papers very deeply. Even page-wise, you have to analyze what are the important contents given in that particular reference paper. In order to do so, an AI template is available. So just give the content, upload your PDF, and you can select the pages and you can get the page wise inference from each of the pages. So thereby you can get a better idea about that reference paper, and also it will be very helpful for you to make and review paper writing. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will work out for our research paper writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on DC and AC microgrid modeling with PV, wind and battery system. So in this workshop, we are going to model PV, wind, battery as our input sources, and we are going to make a DC microgrid. So after that, we are going to incorporate it with AC microgrid, and then we are going to see the operation in grid connected mode as well as standalone mode. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. See you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on conference and journal paper writing with AI tools. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different kinds of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring better content out of ChatGPT for research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI template, what we are going to discuss is that, so go to lmssolution.net. Here you will be having LMS AI. So it will be having different kinds of AI templates. So here you can see that these are the different AI templates. All the templates are especially designed for research paper writing. So you can see the templates called summarizer, translator, grammar corrector, reference style converter, literature review, reference to content, explain the table, paraphrasing, plagiarism reducer, chatbot, blog article, generate MATLAB code, detailed literature review, chat with paper, chat with PDF text. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the option called chat with PDF text. So just click on this chat with PDF text. So it will lead to a dashboard of the chat with PDF text option. So here first you have to choose the file. So here in order to choose a file, I am going to choose a reference paper here. So here I am going to choose a reference paper, select the reference paper. So here I have selected a reference paper here. So and then you just click on upload. Automatically the paper will be uploaded here. This paper comprises of 6 pages. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all the 6 pages are categorized. For example, if you want to analyze the content present in this particular second page, so just click on the second page. So automatically the content in the second page will be displayed here. So what you can do is, so you can copy the content of the second page. So copy and paste the text of the page. So on whatever you want related with the page, you can give here, summarize the content, explain the content, inference from the content, method used in the content. So whatever you want give. So I am going to give. So just inference from the content. So like that you can give inference from the content. So and then just click on send. So it will take several seconds. It analyzes the pages, that is content present in the particular page number 2. So it will give inference. What is inferred? So here comes the content here. So here you can see that the content discusses a proposed grid interactive 3-port converter system designed for PV battery system. The main focus is on zero voltage switching operation and addressing the independently controlling the power flow. So what are the important things present in this particular paper particular page is that key points and inference. So first one is independent power flow control, configuration of this particular model, operational cases. So what are the different operating modes of this So and then you can see power flow equations, Y connected equivalent model conclusion. So this is how the content will be generated. So you can make use of this option. So if whatever you want, you can ask in that inference from the content. So for example, if you want to get some pinpointed answers, so you can give your input prompt, automatically it analyze according to that prompt, and then it will generate answer for you. So this is how this page chat with PDF text will work. So you can select any number of pages. For example, if you want to select the 4th page, automatically the content with the 4th page will be displayed here. So you can copy the 4th page content and you can paste here. So and then again you can give inference from the content. So it will analyze the content again from the 4th page, and it will give whatever you want related with that 4th page, what are the important points inferred. So here you can see in this 4th page you can get the output voltage generation, modulation and control strategy, simulation study, inferences. So like that it is generated the 4th page related summary. So whatever you want, you can ask in this chat that is option. It will generate content for you. So this is how you can use this chat with PDF text in order to generate a better page wise content for your reference paper. So this will be very helpful for those who are making a review paper. So make use of this option and make your research paper writing simple using this AI template. As far as plans and pricing is concerned, so at just 99, so you can access all our LMS AI template for 7 days, and you can get 1 plagiarism report per plan. So at 149, so you can access up to 21 days, 199 up to 1 month, and then 999 you can access up to 1 year, and you also get 12 plagiarism report per plan. So this is the best plan option. The important thing is that so you can get the unlimited access for all our templates. So make use of this option. Make your research paper writing simple. Our main objective is to make your research paper writing simple using this AI templates. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.